What's up friends, welcome back to another tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage volumes on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone, right? So there's a few ways to go about doing this. One, you can go about pressing the volume up or volume down key on the side of your phone. Normally you can find it on the right side of your phone, and once you press this, you can just click the three dots at the top there, and this will take you into your volume settings here. And from here you can basically do quite a lot. Let me go ahead and do that once more. So you can go ahead and you can basically put your phone volume up or down. You can basically manage the volumes from here as well, right? So another way how you can do that, once you're here, you can simply go ahead and tap on the gear icon. Let me go ahead and do it again. Click the three dots there, and you can click the gear icon on the upper right hand side, and that will take you into your volumes. And as you can see here, it gives you volume for ringtone, it gives you volume for your media, it also give you volume for your notifications. So you can turn these up or down if you so desire, and you can also do the same thing for the system as well, right? So this is another way how you can basically do that. Now the next way how you can do that is by simple swipe from the top down on your phone. You will find the speaker icon there. You can tap on a hole or press on hold, and it will take you into your volume, sounds and vibrations here. And from here you have three key options at the top. You have the mute, you have the vibrate, and you have the sound. You can select between three modes here as you so desire, right? You can also manage these by simple tapping on the ringtone, the notification sound, system sound, and volume. So you can tap on each and you can manage it from within here. As you can see in volume, you can do the ringtone, the media, the notification, and system sound here. For system sound, you can tap on that and you can also manage the volumes here as well, right? So you can go ahead and you can go through this as well. Likewise, for notification sounds, you can do the same, and as well you can do for ringtone as well. You can do up and down there. So that's how you go about managing your sounds, guys, and your vibration. So if you ever need to modify your sound, if you ever need to turn up or turn down a particular sound, go ahead and try these different steps that I show you, and you'll be able to easily modify, change, and manage your sound. Very easy stuff, guys.